Hello children, in this video we are going to try and understand subtraction. You know what? Today is Sana's birthday. How many balloons is she holding? She is just 1 year old. What do we need to do so that she gets 1 balloon and the rest give it to her friends? Yes, 2 balloons can be shared with her friends. Now she has 1 balloon. Let's try the same problem using the counters. There are 3 counters on the mat. We will move 2 counters away. The number of counters we moved is the number of counters being taken away. 3 take away 2. Let's take 4 counters and take away 2. 4 take away 2. We can also write 3 minus 2 and 4 minus 2. How many apples do you see on this plate? Yes, there are 5 apples on this plate. I am hungry, so I am going to eat 1 apple. That's the same as 5 minus 1. Let's look at another example. How many pencils do you see in this cup? Yes, 5 pencils. I will make a square using these pencils. 1 pencil, 2, 3, 4 pencils to make a square. This one is extra, so I will put it back in the cup. So we will write 5 minus 1. Let's do the same question with counters. These are 5 counters just like 5 pencils. I will take away 1 counter from the group. How many counters are left? 5 minus 1 is how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 counters. Now let's try this one. Sana has 5 smiley face stickers. She gives 1 smiley face sticker to Saima. How many stickers does she have now? Can you tell me what is the question? Yes, that's right. We need to find number of stickers Sana has after giving 1 to her friend. Let's draw 5 smiley stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's take away 1 sticker to give it to her friend. We are left with 1, 2, 3 and 4. 5 minus 1 equals 4. Let's look at this example. There are 6 strawberries on the plate. Mom uses 5 strawberries to make a yummy shake. How many strawberries are on the plate now? 6 minus 5 equals 1. Now let's play a game. Let's match each picture with a correct number sentence. These are cubes. We will join the cubes to play. How many blue cubes do you see? 1, 2, 3. How many cubes are taken away from this group of blocks? Look at the black crosses. Which number sentence matches with the picture? Is it 3 minus 1 equals 2 or 3 minus 2 equals 1? Yes, that is correct. 3 minus 1 equals 2. You did great. Hello teachers and parents. If you are using this video as a tool to teach your children, You can pause this video anytime while watching and discuss more about the scenarios shared in this video.